Hey guys, how's it going? Welcome back. So, unboxing time. Got a new toy in the mail today from MDG. This is a Lenovo laptop. Yeah, I got a pretty kick-ass Macintosh computer. Really love it. But I also need a PC. Even though I can run Windows on my Mac, I wanted a PC because all the new toys and goodies coming out on the market, especially the USB side, use a new USB port. And for me to be able to test out equipment and that sort of stuff and take advantage of that new system, I need a computer that can do that. Not to mention, I'm getting a little tired of running Windows on the Mac. So, we got... Oh, where's the rest of the stuff in here? Charger. So we've got our charger. We've got a now empty box. Get rid of this stuff. This is a 17-inch model. And I've written down the specs because, yeah, I can't remember all that. So let's get this thing out of the bag first. Looked at a number of laptops, and 17 inch is always the way to go. The bigger the better when it comes to a screen on a laptop. And of course, number pad is a must on the side, especially for video games. So this is what we've got. This thing is sick. Ooh. Oh, that's a nice feeling keyboard. I like it. So this is the Lenovo IdeaPad. IdeaPad 330. So, to give you a little bit of an overview of this thing, it weighs 6.2 pounds, platinum gray, Lenovo IdeaPad 330, 17.3-inch high-def screen, 16 by 900, anti-glare, processors, an 8th generation Intel Core i7. Man, this thing should be faster than... No, it won't be faster than my Mac, I'm just kidding. My Mac's faster. It's an i7 8550U, 8 meg cache. Now this is a quad-core processor. It's 1.8 gigahertz with auto overclocking to 4 gigahertz per chip processor. That kicks some snotty power. 720p camera. Woo! Now we're getting HD cameras. That's awesome. Alright, single microphone, of course. 2 1.5 watt speakers built in with Dolby Audio. 12 gigs of DDR4 RAM, 1 terabyte SATA hard drive, DVD rewritable drive, Intel Graphics UHD 620, Bluetooth 4.1. Now it has one USB 3 port that is Type-C. That's the new USB port I was mentioning. And of course, Apple started this crap, I think. Somebody did, but whoever is responsible, Apple does it now, of course, in PC world. 2 USB 3.0 ports, 4-in-1 card reader, SD, SDHC, SDXC, and MMC. HDMI port, it's got a LAN port for Ethernet, of course wireless, and has a audio jack. This thing is like really super thin, guys. Like that's like... It's not even an inch thick. It's like very, very thin. So you've got your CD-ROM on the side. A lot of laptops aren't actually coming with CD-ROMs anymore. And I know that no Apple computer does anymore. We've got our rest of our ports on the side here. We've got our card reader. We've got our 2 main USBs. There's that new Type-C port. That's looking like the headphone jack there. Microphone jack here. Ethernet. HDMI. So yeah, it's really nice. It comes with Windows 10. Home Edition. That's not too bad, you know. No way to get access to the battery. So if you need a new battery, well, you're going to have to crack the puppy open. Doesn't look too hard. My Mac was pretty simple to get into, my Mac laptop. Anyways, wow, that is one sweet looking machine. So, I'm not going to tell you what I paid for it, only because prices change all the time. You know, you never know. But do check out the MDG website. This is like a left click, right click deal with the trackpad here. So, I'm going to just use a mouse. I hate trackpads anyways. So, anyways, and a little charger is just like a little wall block thing with a cable on the end. So that's alright. So I'll have to fire this thing up, register myself with Windows, and do all my updates, and start installing programs, plus a couple of video games that I love to play. Let's check out the paperwork here. What do we get? Safety and warranty guide. Basic stuff. What's this one? Oh, several languages of something. I wonder if they have English in here somewhere. I have English somewhere. Traditional Chinese. Oh, I haven't seen English yet here. Danish. Oh, there's English. Automatic updates for pre-installed software. Windows 10 automatic update. Tells you a little bit about it. It's pre-installed. Was the most up-to-date build available at the time the PC was manufactured. So there shouldn't be that many updates. Which means we might save that big 5 GB update, because man, that one hurts. Anyways, so there you go. That's the basics on that one. And we've got a little notebook, Lenovo pad jobby. I guess this is just the packing list. You get a laptop, you get this and that, and some other garbage, and yeah, that's pretty much about it. So, that's our little unboxing, guys. It's going to be a little while before a review is going to hit. It's not going to be immediate. Some things I usually review pretty quickly, but this is something that I'm going to need to have some fun with for a while. Oh, I love that keyboard. Man, that is sick. Oh, I gotta learn how to type again. I'm used to using the keyboard on my Mac and my other laptop, and it's like, this is funky. These are like really neat shaped buttons. That's cool. Alright guys, thanks for watching. Stay tuned down the road for a video, for a review on this thing, and I'll let you know how well it does, how fast it is, how well it plays Need for Speed Undercover, because that's one of the games going in here. I've been playing Undercover right now on a much slower laptop. It's like a dual core 2 GHz. It actually doesn't run too bad on, you know, low graphic mode. I'm going to crank the graphic settings right to the hilt on this, because overclocking at 4 GHz, that should be good enough puppy power, sufficient for this. So anyways, yeah, so I guess we'll catch you guys on the next one, and see you soon. Thanks for watching. See you later.